Alright, so we are walking the mile trail to the Narrows. Super excited. It's really busy. There's been a lot of people passing us at least. So hopefully that's a good idea. It's about 4 p.m. So we'll see how crowded it is later in the day. So we just made it to the entrance of the Narrows. Let's do it. Just a little video of how busy it is. Everybody coming out. Holy moly. Not sure if you can see it really good on the GoPro. There's a little waterfall right there. That's gold. Me and Shane were just saying how Kanara, the water was colder, but not when you get waist deep. It took us almost 45 minutes to go 0.3 of a mile.
30 cents.
Yeah. We were trekking through the water a lot. I don't know if the water level is higher than normal. So we're definitely not going to make it as far as we want to make it. We got to make it back by 7:15 for the shuttle bus. So we're going to go as far as we think we can and soak in the views. about a half a mile in. That was all that we really had time for. It's taken us an hour and 35 minutes, so we gotta head back. Y'all check out our videos. This is the last of Zion. So also, me and Shane totally rocked that out without waders. We brought our normal hiking poles, and then we had our water boots, our dive boots, and water shoes. So, but the view coming back is really pretty.
Blooper reel.